No, I'm not gonna ask you to wash your cars. You should be doing that already. What's up guys? If you live on this planet called Earth, you're probably self-isolating and you've dragged your car with you. So this is the perfect opportunity, now that you have some time on hand, to offer it some TLC. And what better way to do so other than detailing your car? I'm talking floor mats, seats, trunk, wheels and tires, headlights, windshield, and at last but not least, the engine bay. Now I'm not gonna get into the details. Get it? Detailing, details. You can find plenty of videos that show you how to detail your car at home. And if you find any, why don't you join my subreddit and share it to help other people? Or even better, why don't you tag me on Instagram in a picture of your clean engine bay? Moving on, let me tell you a little tip on buying a second-hand car from my own experience. Never underestimate the little things that needs to be done when buying a second-hand car, because you'll probably not get the time to get them done. I remember buying my first car, a 2004 Mercedes E320 that had one burnt light bulb. Let me tell you, I owned that car for a year and I sold it with the same burnt light bulb. So moral of the story is, now is the time that you may never get this chance again to work on that simple thing that you've been always meaning to work on. So find that light bulb of yours and get it sorted, whether it being a wiring harness, a fuse, or an actual light bulb. Remember when we spoke about detailing the engine bay? Well, it would be good practice to check for other parts that might be wearing out, like a timing belt or an engine leak that might be indicating that it's time to get that head gasket changed. These little checks can tell you a lot about your car, and it will make a great learning opportunity to learn a new DIY skill on your own car and get that feeling of self-accomplishment. Thank you so much guys for listening. Hope you found this video to be useful, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified for future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't, and see you again next week.